saving money usually feels like a chore because it requires you to actually think about your budget. But Revolut has a feature that basically does the heavy lifting for you while you're out buying coffee or groceries. The Spare Change tool is a massive win for anyone who struggles to put money aside because it turns every single card swipe into a tiny, effortless investment. Stick around until the end, and I will show you how to supercharge this feature so you can actually hit your savings goals 10 times faster than the standard setting allows. The reason most of us fail at saving is that we try to move large chunks of money at the end of the month, only to realize we've already spent it. It's a psychological battle against your own spending habits. By using Spare Change, you're essentially tricking your brain. Instead of feeling the sting of moving $50 into a savings account, you're just rounding up a $4.50 transaction to $5. You don't notice that 50 cents leaving your account, but over a month of transactions, those coins pile up into a significant balance without you ever having to look at a spreadsheet. Setting this up takes less than a minute. Grab your phone and open the Revolut app. From the main home screen, look at the bottom menu and make sure you're on the Home tab. Right under your main account balance, you'll see a section for Your Accounts. Tap that to see your different pots of money. You need a destination for your spare change, so you should select an existing pocket or tap the button to add a new one specifically for these savings. Once you are inside that pocket, scroll down until you see the option for Spare Change. Tap that, toggle the switch to turn it on, and then you'll see the settings for your spare change. The standard setting just rounds up to the nearest whole number, but if you really want to see progress, look at the multiplier options. You can choose anything from ×1 up to ×10. If you set it to ×5, for example, and your transaction rounds up by 20 cents, Revolut will actually move a full dollar into your pocket. Once you've picked your multiplier, just hit Save. This applies to every card linked to your account, whether it's the physical one in your wallet or a virtual card you use for online subscriptions. You can even choose to send these roundups to crypto or Rev points if you prefer those over cash. If you ever feel like you're saving too much or you need to pause, you can go back through these same steps and disable the toggle at any time. Now, the pro tip for maximizing this is to set your multiplier to at least ×3. Most people stick to the default ×1, but that barely moves the needle. By tripling the roundup, you'll likely save enough to cover a monthly bill or a weekend trip without ever feeling the impact on your daily spending power.